Hi guys, it's Tilly here, and today I'm going to show you how to make your own reusable face mask. Now this one has got ties instead of elastic because elastic is in short supply at the moment. It has got a pocket on the inside where you can insert a disposable filter if you wish, plus it's got a slot where you can add a nose wire if you want to create a closer fit. Now do note, this is not a medical grade mask. This is designed to be worn, for example, to the supermarket, while of course maintaining social distancing and washing your hands. And please note, you will need to wash this in hot soapy water after every use.
You'll need a 22cm by 40cm rectangular fabric, preferably tightly woven cotton, and I'm using a quilting cotton from the Village Haberdashery. Alternatively, you could use a tea towel, napkin or pillowcase, plus 4 strips of fabric for the ties. Mine are 45cm by 4cm. Optional wire. Now I'm using a folded out paper clip. You could also use a pipe cleaner or a twisty sandwich bag tie, plus a sewing machine, thread, scissors, pins, tape measure or ruler, and an iron. Press the short edges of the large rectangle under 1cm to the underside. Then press them under another 1cm to the underside. Stitch each pressed edge close to the inside fold. Bring the hemmed edges together with the nice side of the fabric on the inside and insert a pin around 5cm from each end. Stitch from each end to the pin just underneath the inside fold, back tacking or reverse stitching to secure the stitching. Now to make the ties. Press each long strip in half lengthways, the nice side on the outside. Open it out and press each long edge in towards the centre fold. Now fold it in half again so the raw edges are enclosed, and press again. Stitch along the length of each strip close to the open folds, back tacking at each end. Now position the hemmed edges of the mask in the centre and press. Slip one end of a tie through the opening and pin to one of the corners. Pin the other ties to the other corners the same way. Now keep the other ends of their ties hanging out of the opening so they don't get caught in the stitching. Pin along the open sides of the mask. Stitch down each side 1cm from the edge, back tacking at each end to reinforce the corners and the ties. Now turn the mask nice side out through the opening and give it a press to neaten it up. Turn the opening to the underside. Mark pleat lines 3cm, 7cm, 10cm and 14cm down each shorter side. Fold the fabric undersides together along the first marking, then bring this fold to meet the next marking. Press and pin in place. Repeat with the remaining markings. Stitch along the short sides 1cm from the edge to hold the pleats in place. If you want to add a nose wire to get a closer fit, mark a channel around 10cm long in the centre of the top edge, the pleats facing down. Stitch, making the channel a little wider than your wire and back tacking at each end. Slip the wire into the channel and just make sure you remove the wire before machine washing your mask.
And that's it, you have made your own reusable face mask. Now be sure to wash this in hot soapy water after every use.